The gift of God. An instant liberation for all is possible, if we are to visualize every word as personal experience, and all subjects of knowledge as common human entity. At the same instant, the I factor enters a standalone out-of-body dimension, unattached to the human experience carried in any word. Free of the image carried in every word, the I factor becomes an observer of all, and an equivalent part of the God factor, able to observe from above and within each word as per the visual understanding of what every word stands for. At this level, the human body stands as biological mechanism individually interconnected to the inner and outer environments, while the I factor appears as the observer of the natural image of every available intent and content expressed in a word, the order of word placement in the combined human world of knowledge, and the comparison of the detailed personal expression of each experience that defines every subject of knowledge. Adjusted and readjusted to a final fit, constantly filtered through the human mechanism of being, every personal expression of experience traditionalized in language, individually practiced, and socially formalized in a common subject of identity, harmoniously matches in principle every process as per pre-existing bodily example of its intent and content. However, expressed through a different combination of sound, all languages contain complementary elements and interchangeable subjects of knowledge detailing a common environmental image of the pre-existing, perceived, and accepted, linguistics, and the human expressional structure, mathematics. Holding the experienced contribution of all human generations, the memorial storage containing the combined descriptions of knowledge including all its subjects, resembles the manual collection of intellectual human parts, activating within each contact a personal or social identity. Considering a unifying attempt from this point, we all project a personal interpretation of knowledge, and the order of social acceptance to match. Considering that every perceived difference is elevated to human attention from its pre-existing environment and intentionally evaluated as per human order of acceptance, all subjects of knowledge carry on the environmental resemblance of the human form. Therefore, the given principal model of unity for every individual and social entity residing in the permanence of humankind. At this instant, a personal orienting mathematical coordinate, point of identity draw, is available to everyone, in one or more applications of any word combination, in one or more applications of any descriptive data combination, and in one or more applications of any subject presentation combination, totaling to one or more applications of all words descriptive data subject presentation combination. Considering that all human wording equal communicating of human experiences subdividing into language divisions, furthermore, subdividing into subject making of each language, description making of each subject, word making of each description, meaning making of each word, reason making of every meaning, system making of every reason, understanding making of every system, symmetry making of every understanding, identity making of every symmetry, self making of every identity, purpose making of every self, and God making of every purpose, the intellectual genealogy of human creation becomes absolutely necessary.